Kaso bigla nakurap yung camera eh. Sayang. Score 6-2. Nice pass by CM. 2 points by Christopher. No good by Marky. Christopher, nice pass to Kirby. Kirby, nice drop, 2 points. Surrey. Score all 6. Slow gaming lang pero smooth. Carl, no good. Rebound by Surrey. Bad pass. Okay, nakuha ni Surrey. Surrey, nice pass to Kirby. Kirby to CM. CM, 2 points. Lamang na po. Nice, ang ganda ng pasa na yun. Sayang. Okay, Carl. No good by Carl, pero nakuha ni Enrico, 2 points. Hindi kailangan ng mabilis. Mahalaga, sure ball. Surrey, ang ganda po ng pasahan ng both teams. Kirby, no good. Nico, 2 points. Lamang na po sila ha. Lamang natin Marky. Nice pass. Ang ganda naman ng cut na yun. 2 points by Christopher. Score all 10. Nice fake by Orpilia. Orpilia, no good. Okay, last touch by CM. Same ball. Okay, 2 points ha. 12-10. Wala pa. Last 2 minutes. Okay ka lang, Nico? Okay, ayun na, linabas naman. Lamang pa po ang team Marky ng isa ha. No good by score all 12. Smooth gaming lang talaga. Last 2 minutes. Okay, wait lang. Wait lang, pre. Wait lang. Nagloko lang yung cellphone, wait lang. Okay, 1 minute 30 seconds game ha. Score all 12. Orpilia, no good. Okay, nakuha. 14 seconds. Nico, 3 points. Score 15-12. Okay, no good. Rebound by Marky. Last 1 minute first half. Munti ka na yun. Nice. Pinilit. Pumasok. Christopher, 2 points. Score 15. 14-14. Sapatos na po yung next game ha, para mamaya dire-diretso. Last 38 seconds. Poblete, no good. Last 30 seconds. CM, 2 points. Suwabing-suwabe. 26 seconds. Naipit. Same ball ba? Same ball? Okay, hindi pala. Last 19 seconds. Last 19 seconds. Kirby, no good. Okay. Last 11 seconds. Pwede pang makalamang ang Team Marky. 8 seconds. Nice, libre Poblete, nahiya pa. 3.8 seconds. 3.8 seconds. 17-16. 2 seconds. Okay. Sino una nakakuha kanina ng bola? Dito? Dito? Okay. Score 17-16. Isa po kalamangan ng Team Marky. Oh, wait lang. May umiinom pa. Wait lang. Gcash pa. Okay, ready na ba? Okay, back to the ball game. Last quarter. Sagario, 3 points. 16-20. Uy! Sayang. Enrico, ang ganda ng pasa. Bumalik kay Sagario. No good. Bumibilis na po ang tagpo. Kirby, no good. Sayang. Kung lumakas lang ng konti. Steal by Sir Ray. Sir Ray. Sir Ray, no good. Good daw ha, good. Sabi doon ha. Good daw ha. Nico, 2 points. Score 16-22. Grabe po depensa ni Poblete noon. Coast to coast defense. Rebound by Sir Ray. CM, no good. Rebound by Koching. Okay, same ball daw ha, same ball. CM, easy 2. 18-22. Apat lang po kalamangan ng Team Marky. Marky to Poblete, no good. Koching, dance with the move. Nice pass. Sayang. Same ball ha, same ball. 14 seconds. Nice pass by CM. No good. Apat na po kalamangan ng Team Marky. Orpinia, easy 2. Pinasayaw si Sir CM. Nagulat. Two points, Poblete. Hindi talaga pwedeng di mo babantayan yun. Bigla-biglang pumupungkol. Hoy, nakakuha pa ni Koching, pero maalat. Rebound by CM. CM, nice pass. Nakuha. 7 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Okay, wait. May foul ba? May foul? Kung may foul, okay. 14 seconds kung may foul. Okay. Wait lang po. At dito po, bola, hindi yung may kapitang tumawag eh. Wait lang. Hindi daw siya tumawag eh. Ang tumawag yung kakampi.
Hindi good. Na-rebound ko eh. Wala.
Hindi, pag walang foul yun, pre, 24 seconds.
Hindi, wala pa eh. Wala pa 24.
Hindi, tumunog na. Shot clock na. Lakasan ko pa para marinig nyo. Okay, game. Labas lang, ha? Oras, 3 minutes, 22 seconds. 14 to shoot. Naka-advance po sila eh. 10 seconds. Sagario, no good. Munti ka na yun. Good daw ba? Ayan ha, hindi. 20-26. Nice pass by CM. Cars. Dribbling the ball, pinasa kay Marky. Marky umikot, tumira. Munti ka na. Pero natin si Poblete, no good. Sayang. Nice pass, pero naipit. Malakas ang tira ni Kirby. Rebound by Poblete. Nice, pero nice D by Kirby. Napulot pa din. Sayang. Ang ganda sana ng transition. Okay, foul daw. 14 to shoot ha, 14 to shoot. No good by Coaching. 2 points by Sir Ray. 4 na lang po inahabol ng team Coaching. 1 minute 55 seconds. Poblete, pinasa kay Orpilia. Orpilia, no good. Diretso pa ni Coaching. Diretso nga. Rebound by Christopher. Christopher easy 2. At sipag ng big man ng team Coaching. Nice! Uy, munti ka na. Ayun lang. Hindi pa ako nakakabili ng bago. 1 minute 18 seconds. CM 2 points. All 26. 1 minute 6 seconds. Nandiyan na. Sila Robert, team ni Robert kalaban niya. Last 54 seconds. Lahat ng foul may free throw na. Kaya honestly. Ha? May foul ba yan? Okay, tumawag daw. Foul, free throw, 2. Dinesisyon na po ni rep siya eh. May foul daw eh. Kaya tatanggapin natin yun. .46 ha. First shot, no good. Time remaining 46.6 seconds. 27-26. Both teams may 2 timeout pa ha. Lamang kayo ng isa, Coaching. Uy! Oh no! Biglang nawala. Nice hustle. Para nag-shutdown. Hindi, akala kakampi. Akala lang kakampi yun. Nice deep by Coaching. Last 30 seconds. Kirby, 2 points. Grabe, 26 seconds. Hindi ko inaasahan yun. Rebound by Sir Ray. Last 18 seconds. Kirby, 2 points. Last 12 seconds. Nadali kayo ng tatlong sunod ni Kirby. Nice D. Last 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay. Ito ah. Okay.